So we can write it as, so complement of set that is A dash can be denoted by means of, can be given by means of, then we have A dash is equals to, whenever we consider an element that is x, so here the property is of, so here the set, the new set so formed by finding the complement of that set A, the new set contains the elements that are present in mu, that is universal set, but not the elements of set A. So here the properties of elements, that is the element x is belonging to the universal set, that is mu. So here, and so here this x does not belongs to this particularly this set A. So here this property states that A dash, the complement of A, is nothing but the element so obtained in the new set. That is, whenever we assume the element as x, the property based upon that x is the x, the element that is x we supposed will be present in mu, that is a universal set, but it does not belong to the set A. Or in other words, so we can write it as, so here A dash is equals to, whenever we assume the element as x, then x will belongs to, say it is present in mu, so x is belonging to mu, that is x is present in mu but not in A. So here we have to remove, so here A, that is A set is removed from the mu, that is a universal set. So in this manner we will be getting the elements of, that is A dash or the A complement. So here can also be written as A complement. So in this manner, so here A complement or the complement of A states that, or A complement or the complement of A is nothing but a new set which contains the elements of only the mu, that is universal but not A. So here A is removed completely from the universal set, that is mu. So or in other words, so here we can state, so that implies, so here A dash or A complement can be given by means of, from mu we are subtracting this, particularly under complement there is of A, that is a set A. So here we are finding the complement of A, therefore we have to subtract that, particularly that set A from the universal set, that is mu. So here therefore we got A dash or the A complement is equals to mu minus A. So in case, so similarly, so here this states that similarly, so if you find A union B whole dash, then that is equals to, so A union B whole dash or A union B whole complement is equals to, so here under complement, that is A, we are finding the complement of this bracket, that is A, set A. So set A is removed from the universal set. So here A union B whole complement is equals to, from universal set we have to subtract, say complement of that, particularly this A union B set we are finding. So here we have to subtract that A union B from the universal set. Or in case if we find out A intersection B whole dash or A intersection B whole complement, so here it is nothing but, so here since we are finding the complement of A intersection B, so we have to subtract, so here A intersection B from the universal set, that is mu. So here mu minus A intersection B, so gives us the A intersection B whole complement, that is complement of A intersection B. So in this manner we got the definition of the complement. Then now let us perform few examples under this. So here based upon the definition of the complement of a set, so let us perform one example, that is example number 1. So here under example number 1, if universal set, that is mu, is given by means of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here set A is given by means of 5, 0, 6, 10, 9, 8, 12. So here find out, So here find A complement or complement of A. Solution starts now. So in our solution, so as per problem, say a universal set is given by means of the elements 1 to 10. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the elements of the universal set, and at the same time set A elements are of 5, 0, 6, 10, 9, 8 and 12. So here in order to find out A complement, so here A complement, but we know that, so here but we know that A complement is equals to mu minus A. So here in order to find out A complement, we have to subtract, that is A, set A from the universal set, that is mu. So here that implies, so here in order to find out A complement, so here, so mu elements, so here mu elements are of, as per the problem, so mu elements are of, so 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the elements of the universal set, that is mu. From this universal set we have to subtract the set A. So here set A elements are of 5, 0, 6, 10, 5, 0, 6, 10 and 9, 8, 12. 9, 8 and 12. So now in order to subtract the second set, that is A, from mu, that is mu set, so we have to see the like term. So here like elements, so similar elements, so here similar elements are of, same elements are of, so here 1, 2, 3 are occurring in the, so are the elements of the mu universal set, but here 1, 2, 3 are not present in the set A. Then now 4 is the element of set mu, but 4 is not the element of set A. So here 5, 6 are the elements of set mu, and 5 and 6 are also the elements of set A. So here we can cancel 5 and 6. That means we have to cancel the similar elements. So here same elements from both the sets. So here 7 is the element of set mu, but it is not the element of set A. So here 8 is present, and 9 and 10. So here 8, 9, 10 are the elements of set mu, and 8, 9, 10 are also the elements of set A. So here we can cancel 8, 9, 10 from mu set. Then now similarly 8, 9, 10 from the second set, that is A. So now in order to get, that is A complement, so here we have to write, so here this complete set, that is, so here none of the element belongs to this A complement. So here we can eliminate all these complete set from the universe, because it is completely subtracted from the universal set. So here need not to include 0 and 12 in the elements of the A complement. So whatever the elements that are left over in the first set, that is the universal set, are only the elements of the A complement. So in this manner we will be getting the remained elements are of 1, 2, 3, 4 and as well as 7, 7 are only the elements of A complement. So here we should not include 0 and 12 in these in order to get the A complement. So here, so in this manner we got A complement as, so here hence A complement or the complement of A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and as well as 7.